If Steam is giving you the error failed to load Steamui.Dll as Sol, don't worry, this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to get Steam working again: deleting the package folder, running Steam as administrator, and re-registering the DLL file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, we're going to close Steam completely. This step is very important because if Steam is still running in the background, the fix may not work properly. Right-click the Steam icon if it's open and exit Steam. Then open Task Manager and make sure there are no Steam processes still running. If you see Steam.Exe or any related background task, end it for moving on. Next, go to your Steam installation folder. In most cases, you'll find it in C:program files x86 Steam. If you installed Steam somewhere else, open that location instead. Inside the Steam folder, look for a folder called Package. This folder stores important files Steam uses to load its interface. When the file gets corrupted, it can trigger the Steam UI.Dll error. Delete the package folder completely. Don't worry, Steam will recreate it automatically. After that, restart Steam normally. When Steam opens, it should notice the missing files and begin downloading a small repair package. Let that process finish fully and then check whether the error is gone. If Steam still refuses to launch, the next thing to try is running it as administrator. Right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to load the DLL correctly, especially if Windows security settings or user permissions are blocking it. If Steam opens successfully this way, you can also set it to always run as administrator by opening Properties, going to Compatibility, and enabling that option. Now, if you still see the same error, there is one more fix you can try. Press Windows and R on your keyboard, type CMD, and press Enter to open Command Prompt. In the command window, type regisvr32 steamui.dll and press Enter. This attempts to re-register the DLL file with Windows. Keep in mind that this only works if Steamui.dll is already present on your system, but just not registered correctly. If the file is missing entirely, this method may not help by itself. After running the command, wait for the confirmation message, then restart your computer and try launching Steam again. In many cases, one of these 3 methods will solve the problem and get Steam loading normally again. If the package folder repair worked, great. If not, the administrator method or DLL registration may do the trick. And if you're still having issues after that, the next step may be a full Steam reinstall, but try these fixes first because they are fast and safe. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.